Welcome back, y'all. Let's get into this look, okay? Period. So today I was just reinstalling a unit that we already had installed before. So I want to show you guys how to reinstall a wig. And if I do sound a little weird, I'm sick right now and I'm out of work. So we're just gonna get into this. So y'all know we start with the ball cap. The unit has already been cleaned, the lace been cleaned, and we're just gonna proceed as normal. Alright, now I'm gonna clean her skin off with 91% alcohol and then spray it with a skin guard. And then I applied 2 layers of glue, and that's because this is for a video shoot and she's switching her wigs out. Alright, and then after that we're gonna lay that lace down and then get into styling.
Blank Beats Production.
Alright, now we're about to get into the styling. So you want to make sure the back of her hair is flat. Do not neglect the back of the head, okay? So we're going to make sure that is flat, and then we're going to also make sure her ponytails are flat. And then we're going to get into wrapping them in. And y'all, honestly, I feel like the buns take the longest for me because I'm like a perfectionist, and you're gonna see later in the video it just got to be like perfect for me. Like I don't know. You'll see in the video. Like the buns, they're like sisters, not twins. But my mind is like, no, it needs to be twins. But anyway, so my camera had died, y'all, while I had straightened and did the one side of the bun and everything. So, you know, at least y'all got this part. Y'all got one bun. But y'all see me, I'm just gonna be really tedious on this one particular bun. But you know, it all turned out good anyway, so alright, and now I'm just doing my finishing touches, finishing up the baby hairs and everything. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Y'all, we almost at 600 followers. I love y'all so much. And that's how y'all achieve this look. I hope y'all slay. And I will see y'all in my next video.